Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your site name on Wix. Log into your Wix account and you'll see your list of sites on the main homepage. If you've got multiple sites, click on the one you want to rename to open its dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, look for the More Actions icon. This is the 3 vertical dots, sometimes labeled as Site Actions. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear with site management options. From that drop-down, click on Rename Site. A dialog box will pop up. You'll see a field labeled Site Name at the top. Click into that field. Your current site name will be highlighted so you can start typing to replace it. Type in your new site name. The name should be between 1 and 20 characters. Below the site name field, you'll see the site address field. This is your free Wix URL. If you want to change that as well, click into the field and type your new URL slug. The full address will look something like username.wixsite.com/yoursitename. This option is available for free sites. If you've already connected a custom domain to your site, you'll need to unassign the domain first before you can edit this field. Once you've entered your new site name and optionally updated your site address, look for the Save button. It'll be at the bottom of the dialog or in the top right corner. Click Save. The dialog will close and your dashboard will refresh. You'll immediately see your new site name displayed. The changes take effect right away in your Wix dashboard. If you change the free URL and have a custom domain connected, remember to reassign your domain after making these changes. Keep in mind that if you want this new name to show up in search engine results, that's a separate SEO setting, and those changes can take 7 to 14 days to fully propagate.